Hi, I'm Michael. I'm here to show you how to use Unger's professional cleaning tools correctly and to answer any questions you may have on topics relating to professional window cleaning. Today, I'm going to present a few tips and share some tricks for pure water cleaning with Unger on the following topics: preparation, ergonomic working, glass cleaning, follow-up. Let's start with the preparation. Before you start cleaning, ensure your work area is safe and put up warning signs. Connect the water supply hose to the water pipe and make sure that there are no tripping hazards when you lay the hose. Place the Hydropower Ultra S Pure Water filter near the area you're about to clean. Next, connect the water supply hose to the pure water filter and then connect the water-fed Nlyte telescopic pole to the filter via the Nlyte hose. Now turn on the tap and open the valve on the filter. Finally, check the water quality using the TDS meter. The value shown on the display should not exceed 10 ppm. Extend the water-fed Nlyte telescopic pole upwards along the facade. Now to ergonomic work. In the interests of your own health, always ensure a comfortable, ergonomic posture when cleaning windows. To optimize the position of the pole, hold the lower arm with the elbow close to the body and keep the upper hand at shoulder height. The lower hand should be at the bottom of the handle so that you can better control the up and down movement of the telescopic pole. Guide the pole with your upper hand. If you rest your hand on the pole, you can exert a little more pressure on it. For higher windows, you can move backwards and forwards. In this way, you can evenly move the pole up and down. Do not look up all the time when cleaning. This helps to take the strain off your neck and shoulders. Occasional glances in the direction of the surface you're cleaning are sufficient. Now you know how some best practice on how to use your work equipment. I'll now show you how to clean correctly to achieve top cleaning results. Work floor by floor from top to bottom. For individual windows, always clean the top frame first and then the side frames. Then thoroughly clean the entire surface of the window with the water-fed Nlyte brush. Clean the surface in vertical movements up and down. The glass must always be thoroughly rinsed with pure water. Pay attention to the film of pure water that forms on the glass. Then clean the lower frame. Done. Now you can move on to the next window. Finally, the follow-up work. Once you have completed the pure water cleaning, a few final tasks await you. Check the water-fed Nlyte brush for any dirt residue. The brush may need to be cleaned. Always store the brush in a hanging position. Check the TDS value of the water so that you can plan a possible resin change. Finally, remove the water from the Hydropower filter. For further information and more videos about pure water cleaning, head to our YouTube channel. Simply subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications.